I to see that Omoto came on my head. Without talking of his history, about his biodata, passport, any nationality, or if he has come the original country where he has either left that religion, denigrated, and he has centered in the deep of this ocean where the world horrible human killing system has kept, where that main killing system, managerial chief and commanding chief, that Omoto was supposed to be one, the key person. His arrogance and whimsical and commanding, that arrogant idiot, culprit, shaitan, barbar, on this date, if he has further dared to show arrogance with his family, the rest brotherhood, father, mother, not disclose, ask mercy, come in mind this side, till date, those not being identified or having face hood kept but other was misused, those cases may be left unless those anybody at any place, at any congregation, at any time, any moment can kick and compel as these people denied or deliberately not giving their father mother name, nationality, but race as a core critical position taking where they can easily trap, kidnap and force other people. If other people are innocent, they have to take instigator name and their parents own all others. The parents also come to ask mercy that they have been trapped. They have been brought from this country and they have been enforced to change their religion. They have got this and this identity. They are innocent. They are not willing to stay in this state. They are asking corresponding government if they can give the name, passports, etc. to my team and authorized to contact as an orphan, kidnap, trap, then they will be rescued. But if that his earlier report that he has deliberately come has not reported surrender and come from this, if anybody new one has entered in this place, a trap for those only. And others who took this position already given warning, but they again reach in this core human killing system as per the declaration. And this declaration as the main complaint is coming for Tamil and Bengali, Malayalam, Gujarati, etc. and MP, state, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, UP partly and also Punjab, almost all other states, but gradually raising late, but that is not a, that blame will go direct to the whole people of the states or country, but will go obviously on the direct leadership of those particular countries. They have to face the same punishment, laugh, kick, any humiliation and to enforce to leave the earth. Because they have instigated, have suppressed the fact, killing of mass murdering and nature damaging, mind mesmerizing, premature kill and also bioweapons like corona etc. development. And yesterday in which way they are in the night, they to put me on my face cancer like some through poisoning drugs, and they are trying to day and day all night on my team, innocent babies, girls mainly to humiliate, and that has been totally. If that Meenakshi Lekhi has to take responsibility, if he takes her life and respect, I do not give any chance to Narendra Modi or Jai Shankar or any foreign secretary or etc. Official as I have given, if they have not gone on their own, so I have not given any chance to get any punishment relaxation, but life sentence. Anytime any people can kick on their vagina, mouth, penis, testicle, and cut that tongue, penis, behead, and to enforcely the other, as they are found associated directly and indirectly. They are helping, funding, and keeping this fact separate. So those all people, as I have asked that country to, or all nations of the whole world, USA, UK, etc., all countries, all people, government has to remain in what is called seriousness for this, solving this problem, and to accept my theory where carbon dioxide is not the question of this premature death, natural calamities, low pressure, rain, sudden extreme weather, global warming, climate. Even people are blaming German floods and etc. or European floods, whatever may be an extreme condition of this New York places, extreme weather and flood of forest burning and sea poisoning, etc., etc. So many things, animal investigation, animal killing and mass killing in the millions per year, apart from this coronavirus which is going on, mental error, etc., and body weakened, paralysis, those things. So I have asked that all people will remain in alert, seriousness, originates, anxiety to help others, attentive to listen any possible principle given cause, thought expressed to accept, to note, and to bring pride to the nationality through email or any kind of mode, that registration of their locality, that any positive to solve that problem where I have negated, that carbon dioxide is not there, man-made. If you have anything extraterrestrial, other kind of to want to mean, but first there is need of banning of the oceanography, undersea wing, sex poister, etc. Today I have given so many emails. So my upload is completed. I'll do next one. This is punishment related. So when I have asked the people after 4 consecutive days, severe warning, and this warning has been notified to the all countries almost, that has gone to the US general areas of US representative, House representative offices and other Coast Guard, etc., to inform the USA. And I have asked the Defense Secretary all responsibility to inform that all countries, even the Ministry and the 5 MPs, Health, Defense, Home, Telecommunication, and Finance Office, and I am trying to add others. Gradually increase this number. So, apart of that, I am Delhi Coordinator Office. I have given notice, UNESCO have given notice, even UN, UN Security Council and direct, indirect way I have made comment in so many videos on this YouTube directly in Delhi to bring notice of the all concerned. So this people has to be, and I have to particularly bring that notice on the YouTube, because in fact severe crisis of humanity, they have to listen my voice and they have to reach legally to US office to, if anything they have find that babies or social community, any guideline is not a prevalent, direct, physical, where that life snatching is the main question, even the kidnapping human is direct, many things, when those are not being reported. So YouTube, Facebook, Twitter cannot ask any mercy to suppress of my many data unless going to UN or any legal office of India, directly asking police officer for the questions, and those matter, my all warning videos has to be kept undeleted as destroyed form, that we get ready for any time. If you are sure that you are private property, you cannot, but that at this moment you cannot do because you have done wrong way money, because your face collection, video collection has gone all against humanity. But so many lives, that is in billions almost lives, has lost. So this is the declaration I have showing this my minimum. And this will be part 1. It is just 10 minutes over.